Welcome to Time Pass Coders. Now we will be saying what is pd.cut in NumPy. Suppose we have to divide a column based on categories. For suppose we have a continuous column and we need to divide it on the basis of category. Here we have a file called housing.csv which has a column called median.income. I will show you it. This is the CSV file in which we have a column named median income. Here you can see 8.3, 8.3, 7.5, 0.3, 0.4, this is median income. Now we want to divide it based on category. So suppose we want the median income which is between 0 to 1.5, we want to name it as A. So what we do? We will be using pd.cut for that. So which column the first parameter will be, which column are we going to categorize? We are going to categorize median.income column from dataset housing. Here you can see dataset housing is equals to pd.readcsv. So we are using the first parameter dataset housing median income. And what is bins? Here you can see bins 0.2 to 1.5, 3.2 to 4.5, 4.5 to 6, and 6 to np.inf. What is np.inf? np.inf means it is infinity. numpy.inf means positive infinity. So from 0 to 1.5 we label it as A. From 1.5 to 3 we label it as B. From 3 to 4.5 we label it as C. From 4.5 to 6 we label it as D, and from 6 to infinity we label it as E. So this will return a new data frame. This will return a new column called dataset housing median income category. So this will give a new series. And after that let us plot it using .hist and plt.show. So let me show you. So this is the figure you can see. Here this is what we said 0 to 1.5 as A. So here there are around 8,000 people with 0 to 1.5 and we labeled them as A. And here you can see it is from 1.5 to 3. So there are around 6,540 people with label B. So you can understand this, right? We can make it clear by writing print data set housing let's do it, save and run code. Here you can see we have a new column in which E, E, D, C. So here they are categorized, and this categorized one is in the form of graph. This is all about pd.cut. Again you can read it here. Divide into categories. If we want to divide and label certain columns with labels, we are making a new column named income cat in housing data frame which contain different categories of median income. That is, we are dividing median income into 5 categories. If median income is between 0 to 1.5, it is named A. 1.5 to 3, it is named B. So on. 6 to np.inf, that is 6 to infinity, positive infinity. 6 to positive infinity, it is named as E. So we use pd.cut to divide it into categories. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. If you have any doubt, you can ask us on Instagram, link in description.